right, today I have the Swiffer Power Mop, and I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries on this Swiffer Power Mop. Now, if you have not installed batteries in the first place, this is an installation video of how to install the batteries on the Swiffer Power Mop. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this process, which is this tedious process. So right here I have the Swiffer Power Mop. As you can see right here, it says Swiffer Power Mop. Now what I'm going to do is to access the battery compartment, I have to go to the back side of the Swiffer. And if you look right here on the Swiffer, I'll get in closer so you can see it, there is this gray compartment on the back. You can see this is the back of the Swiffer. That is the front of the Swiffer right here. You see that? And this is the back. So what I'm going to do is, this right here is where the batteries are located. In order to access this, I'm going to simply come right here, and I'm going to take my finger so you can see it. Let me do it so you can see it. And I'm just going to grip this like this, a sturdy grip on this battery here, and then I'm going to lift in that direction. Okay, so I'm going to come up here, I'm going to take this and lift it into that direction, and then you have access to the batteries. So once you have access to the batteries, zoom out because this is kind of intimidatingly close, you just go ahead and take out the old batteries if your Swiffer Power Mop is not working. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the old batteries, toss them, and then now I have some fresh batteries. Now when you're installing the batteries, you have to look in closely, and it's very ever so faint, but it shows the nipple side going towards touching the flat part right here. So this is the nipple side right here. This is going to go against that. And so in able to install it, I'm going to take the flat side, press it against the spring inside of here, so the nipple side can fit into that slot. And on this side, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to locate the flat side, and then I'm also going to locate the nipple side. Now again, it's going in different directions. So now remember, take the flat side against the spring and push it until it slides into place with the nipple side against the flat right down there. So let me go ahead and do that. And now you have the nipple side going in the right direction according to the diagram. So once you have that, you're going to go ahead and simply stack your Swiffer back up, get to the back side. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and you have to see the shapes. The shapes can show you how to put this back in if you don't know. Remember, the arrow is pointing upwards if that's another indicator. So what you just simply do is you simply place it just above the groove. There's some grooves right here. Okay, let me get in closer for those of you who can't see that well. So there's some grooves in here, and this is where it slides down at. There's grooves on either side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to line it up with the grooves and make sure it's going in the right direction. All right, so line up with the grooves, and then you simply slide it down, and it's going to click into place. Okay, it clicked into place. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the trigger on the Swiffer to see if the batteries work, and they indeed do work. All right, and that is how you replace the batteries on a Swiffer Power Mop. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.